Hey, stars. We are in IKEA. Oh my God, look. Heaven. Look at this shoe cabinet. I think I want this. It only holds 8. It only holds 8 pairs of shoes. Look at this mirror. It only holds 8 pairs of shoes for $89. You can push the basket while I look. I just wanted to show you guys some stuff from IKEA because I'm here. Came to get some more shells. I just got off of work. This one is $100. There's so much stuff. Let me go behind you. Let me go because I need to call Tammy. Ooh, I want that kitchen. I need to call Tammy and ask her where this rug is at in this place. I love IKEA, stars. It's like the best ever. It's amazing. That'll be cute for like a little single. Oh, I can't even show you. I don't even know if y'all can hear that music. Why not? Wall units, media storage. Alright, let's focus. That's your foot? I think I want that for my purses that don't have a bag. I think I want that. What do you guys think? The light is on. I hate when I have the light on. That's so stupid. Hi, stars. I haven't vlogged today. Oh, look it. This is so funny because, like, I can make these. I made these for my wedding. Not that color, obviously, but the purple. My wedding was purple. But, I'm in Hobby Lobby right now, and I've been shopping all day just to find. I found a chair. I think I showed you guys a chair. If you follow me on Snapchat, the chair is there. For my vanity, I need a new chair. That one's done. It's a wrap. I need a new one. Look at that mirror. She's chunky though. But I need a new chair. Oh, let's not go down that aisle, cause. So I bought a chair from Ross West Covina last night, but that chair didn't make it. It was very cute. I like the chair a lot, but it wasn't comfortable. I can't sit and beat my face. I love you. I can't always kiss me. I can't sit there and beat my face in the chair because it's so uncomfortable. So gold is not the color. Like, I really want gold to be my accent color. So I'm gonna have to find a way to put gold into my accent color because all of this cute stuff that has gold.
Deanna, Tammy, and birthday code 6, please. Deanna, Tammy, and birthday code 6. Roger, code 6, please. Roger, code 6.
Ooh, I wish they had this in another color. It's cute. So I'm looking for a chair. I was looking for a little storage, a cute little storage container. But what I found is a cute little storage container. It's not an option for me. So I'm going to, Percy, come here. I'm going to go and get basic storage container. And it just is what it is. And not feeling a kind of way about it. So yeah. But that's what I'm doing. I just wanted to come in and say hello. Ooh, is this 50% off? All of God's grace in one tiny face.
Look.
I know that's where I got them from, son. See how much this is. Look. All of God's grace in one tiny face. Oh. Can you see how much the thing is? Extras. Just so much extra.
Where do I get that from?
Tell me, calling. Hold on, Stars. Alright, Stars, real quick. So, this is what the shelf that I got from IKEA the other day looks like so far. And that's that one. I have more space. Then I have more purses over there. But, the mirror will be changed out, so don't judge me about the other side falling. I didn't even feel like putting it back up because this whole thing right here is about to change. Not the desk itself, just the makeup that is on there and that's in those cases. And that case will go inside of these drawers. And this is the chair that I shopped 2 days for. I like it. It's cool. It's simple. It has rollers. It's charcoal gray. And yeah. So that's it. But if you want to see a complete room tour, just comment down below. Oh, look at this hourglass I got today. It's so cute. This glass. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I loved it. That's a filler for now. Oh, and I got these too. These candle holders. I'm going to get some Bath & Body Works candles, I think, to go in there. I haven't decided yet. Or I might just put all of my roller balls and my little sprays in there too. I was thinking about signing up for Sinbird, so that's where I will put all those that come. But yeah, this is that so far. So far. I got a new bag today. It's right here. I'll show you guys one day, but just wanted to show you really quick what that looked like. I need to clean my other closet out. All right, bye, Stars.